Welcome to the Woodland Institute for Retraining.
Institute? Yeah! Stand right here like I'm taking your picture, Tweaky.
Okay.
I'm casing the joint behind you. Hey! Watch where you're going, you gold bricker!
Your prize package. Afternoon, you only...
Tweaky, old chum, ditch the map. We just found our own shortcut to the stars.
Oh, it's the mansion of that famous new star. I am a crazy fan. Mr. Woodpecker, I have you.
So, those two Hollywood hustlers think I just fell off a turnip truck, do they? Well,
A nicety-nice interview. You're a private doit. Okay, Tweaky, all's... Get back here, you snake in the grass!
Stay away.
Get back here, you little vagrant!
Oh, that Woody Woodpecker. His first day in Hollywood, and just look at this wild, wild party.
Do it the way I showed you, Tweaky. It's almost time for his screen test and our payday.
Well, but I don't know nothing about being an actor, boss. Hollywood's most jealous and fading movie star. And you, sir, are about to become birdseed.
Grab! Magnificent stupendous!
Oh, I hate scary movies.
Will you relax, Tweaky? He's just acting. He can't stop us. Where you dish right here. All's we gotta do is hold the jolly old elf captive in this here empty house. And
Yeah, or Christmas is canceled forever. Who wants to be a gazillionaire? Here comes our ransom, boss.
if he moves, pretend it's you.
I'm Basil the Repo Elf there. Don't mind me none.
Whoa!
Oh, gosh. Oh, heck. Sure enough. Yeah. So...
Hey! I happen to know Santa Claus ain't scheduled to stop at this house.
Yeah!
Oh, you four boys! I got you! Incoming!
And that's when a strange thing happened.
Christmas is a day of cheer, but I think this bruise will last all year.
He could take me for all I've got. Glad you didn't break anything, sweetie. Oh, here you go. Cocoa for your chill, hot water for your spill, and I'm slashing the rent, Xing out clauses. Is there anything else your little heart desires?
I never learned how to tango.
Tango is what Mama was made for. Hooray.
I just gotta keep this deal going forever. Whoa, Miss Landlady, I love everything you have. I mean everything about you. Make my Christmas wishes come true. Marry me a lot. Say, what's yours is mine forevermore.
You wait right here, my little feather duster. This is the best Christmas gift a girl could ask for.
No, these two could blow my cover.
You!
Oh, easy now. My butt's a bruiser. Let's take our honeymoon now. Bora Bora's far enough away.
This This guy's trying to con you, Miss Meanie, and he kidnapped Santa Claus.
Didn't you ever hear? No one likes a tattletale!
Stop the kidnapper!
All right, nobody move, or Santa gets souffled.
Tweaky.
What?
Figgy pudding!
Why don't you watch where you're going?
Oh, hello, neighbor. Yeah, I'm sorry about my friend. Go get Santa's sleigh and double time it.
Yoinky doinky.
But he's not the real Santa, boss.
Now, trust me, Tweaky. Wearing this red suit, he'll be close enough to get us our ransom. Yeah! Attention! We have got Santa Claus, and we want the ransom money.
Boy, every party does have a pooper.
Give back!
Now we got 2 Santa Clauses, boss.
With my mega cruiser super Christmas me.
Funny looking?
If it wasn't for me,
It's no use.
New Year, nothing in between.
We gotta do somebody to...
Everybody, look!
That ransom is gonna be ours this time. No ifs, ands, or woodpeckers' butts. Yeah!